could be pretty distracting. Run up on somebody and they're just going at it.
Yeah. Just walk into a room, you find two hiders just teabagging each other.
Darren, come on, crouch, you idiot. There you go.
Thing is, you're trapped.
Yeah, okay. I'll push him off.
Push him off, push him off.
I'm trying.
I'll come push him off.
Try it, man.
Oh shit, you need this real.
Oh, man.
This place is huge.
I can't even see anymore. You have to be our eyes, Darren.
Oh shit. Mike, look. Is there any way we can go?
Yeah.
I'm jumping.
Off.
You just...
All three of us jumped.
Someone's just gone.
Bye.
Oh no, I fell off.
God damn it, Mike.
I'm just.
Who followed me?
Possessed. Oh bollocks.
Darren.
Oh, what the fuck?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Okay, how many of us have walked off the edge?
Not me.
Suck of shit.
Oh my god, I'm done. This is funny as fuck.
Everyone fell off!
Am I the only one alive?
Yep.
Hey, who is that? Look up.
Oh, I know.
Motherfucker.
I ran into a room hoping it would lead somewhere. It was a dead end, and so I just crouched behind the door.
Motherfucker!
Great.
Oh, really? I was trying to close the door when you walk in.
I know, you made it obvious, I just saw the door handle move.
X gon' give it to you. Fuck, wait for you to get it on your own. X gon' deliver to you. Knock, knock, open up the door and